Trees are beautiful. They provide shade. But trees can also cause big problems for your pipes. Tree roots grow towards water and nutrients, and your pipes have what they need. Roots can get into small cracks, growing bigger and causing leaks. This is bad news for homeowners. Leaky pipes mean expensive repairs. It is important to prevent root invasion before it starts. There are many things you can do to protect your plumbing. Let's take a look at some practical tips. Your pipes are like a magnet for thirsty tree roots. Roots grow towards moisture. Pipes carry water, making them attractive to roots. Small cracks or loose joints in your pipes are weak points. Roots can easily exploit these weaknesses and enter your plumbing system. Once inside, roots have access to a constant water supply and nutrients. This encourages them to grow even more, further damaging your pipes. Over time, this can lead to blockages, leaks, and costly repairs. Choosing the right plants is the first step in preventing root intrusion. Some plants have aggressive root systems, while others are less likely to cause problems. Do your research before you plant. Opt for trees and shrubs with less invasive root systems. Consider smaller tree species and think about their mature size. Avoid planting trees with known aggressive root systems near your home's foundation or underground utilities. Where you plant your trees matters. Planting too close to your house is a recipe for disaster. Maintain a safe distance between trees and your home's foundation, as well as underground pipes. A good rule of thumb is to plant trees at least 10 feet away from your house. For larger trees, double that distance. Contact your local utility companies before planting. They can mark the location of underground lines. Section 5. Keeping an eye out. Regular maintenance is key to catching problems early. Inspect your yard for signs of root intrusion. Look for cracks in your home's foundation. Check for slow drains or gurgling sounds in your plumbing. These could be signs of root intrusion. If you suspect a problem, don't wait to act. Contact a qualified plumber immediately. Early detection and intervention can save you a lot of money and headaches in the long run. Section 6. Root barriers. Root barriers are a physical barrier between your pipes and tree roots. These barriers are typically made of heavy-duty plastic or metal. They are installed in the ground around your pipes. Root barriers prevent roots from reaching your plumbing system. They redirect root growth away from your pipes. This is a highly effective method for preventing root intrusion. If you are planting new trees, consider installing root barriers at the same time. Section 7. Chemical solutions. Chemical treatments are another option for controlling root growth. They can be effective, but must be used with caution. Overuse can harm the environment and non-target plants. Always follow guidelines and consider alternative methods. Combining chemical treatments with physical barriers can enhance effectiveness and reduce chemical dependency. Consult with a professional to determine the best approach for your specific situation. Remember, responsible use of chemicals is key to sustainable root control. Section 8. Hydrojetting. Hydrojetting is a powerful cleaning method for your pipes. Hydrojetting is a powerful cleaning method for your pipes. It uses high-pressure water to blast away roots, grease, and other debris. Hydrojetting can clear even the toughest blockages. This method is very effective in removing roots that have already invaded your pipes. It is a good idea to have your pipes hydrojetted every few years as a preventative measure. Section 9. Protecting your home. Tree roots can cause serious damage to your plumbing. Don't wait for a plumbing emergency. Take steps now to protect your home. By choosing the right plants, planting strategically, and using preventative measures, you can keep your plumbing system safe from invasive tree roots. Regular maintenance and early detection are crucial. Remember, a little prevention goes a long way.